how to change Google account profile picture. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can change up your Google account profile picture. So the process is pretty easy. Simply open up Chrome in your computer. After that, go to the profile that you want to change your profile in. After that, go to the profile that you want to change the profile picture of. Click on the right side on your Google account. Click on this picture button from over here, and then after that, from over here, you guys are gonna basically get the option to add profile picture. From over here, choose any picture, and then your Google account picture is gonna be updated, and you will be able to use this as your profile picture. So that is how easy it is for you guys to actually switch up your profile picture on Google Chrome for your Google account. You guys can also do the same thing on your phone as well. Just simply open up the Gmail application, then click on the top right on your profile picture, and then after that, simply click on manage your Google account, and then click on your profile picture, and then you guys can choose to take a photo or choose from photos, and you guys can put in any picture that you guys want, such as this picture over here, and then your Google account is going to have that picture over here. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually change up your Google account profile picture on your phone and on your computer as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.